When I tell you I am too excited about this package, I had opened it up, but I literally like glanced through it because I was busy. But today is today, and y'all is gonna go through it with me, and I am ready to see my goodies. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Kiva, and you are at Budget My Snacks because I am getting back to my budgeting. And look what we have today. Presentation. You know, the presentation is just outstanding here. Leveling up by bossing up, okay? Boss $1 million savings, okay? So we're going to get into this unboxing right away. I'm not going to hold you up. Without further ado, and don't forget, before you go, be sure to check out candydreams. I'm showing you some of her older videos simply because I wanted you to see she's not new to this. She's not new to the budgeting world. She's not new to the $100 envelope challenge, you know, like a lot of the OGs. She's an OG in the budgeting community. And I said, let me just show you some of her videos to where she's been helping us save, and she's been helping us with business startups, okay? And I'll have a couple of screenshots to show you that as well. Be sure to check my description box or the pinned comment. There will be a affiliate link so that you can click and save you a couple of dollars as you get started on your budgeting journey. So be sure to head over and check out her website and grab your budgeting goodies today. Look at the inside of this. Best wishes, open me. Ooh, I like it. Come on, first $2 to start that journey, okay? I like this. I'm thinking when I reach like $500 or $1,000, this can be the placeholder. You know, I can put the placeholders in there. What y'all think? I like that. So this is from candydreams, okay? Her website is Iamkeva. I will insert the website and her YouTube channel up here so that you can be sure to check her out. She is Black owned, and she has a ton, a plethora of information, a plethora. I'm saying that word wrong. I don't know what's happening here. But she has a gang of information to help anyone that is out here starting their own business. The ultimate guide. She give you real vendors that have good quality stuff. She is amazing. I recommend her. And when I tell you, you will love her just as much as I do. Okay. Next up, we have her Abundance Prosperity Oil. Okay, it only takes a drop. You rub it in, and then you start your budgeting, or even when you touch money, just a way to help manifest that money to you. I love it, and I think it just adds a unique touch to her planner kit. Okay, this here. So I'm assuming it's part of the budgeting. Something's gonna require me to spend, okay? And purple, my favorite color. If you know, you know. Drop a purple heart in the chat if you know. A nice colored pencil. Ooh, so something's gonna be with rolling the dice for savings, okay? She gives us, oh, this is the wallet. So her budget binder wallet is different. It's personalized. I know y'all like Kiva. That's your full name. It is. I've been doxxed, child. Carry on. So you have dividers, and so I would take each one and put them in the little slot there. So I would peel off bills. Okay, I like that. And this feels, I'm not gonna force that. Yep. I'm gonna put it back in the plastic too, just because I want it to stay neat. But I'm feeling fancy. Now comes her planner book, y'all. How cute is this already? Oh, and I meant to mention before we go on, this box is also for the 100 envelope savings challenge. Okay, you got almost every savings challenge right at your fingertips. I can't get over the presentation. I cannot get over the presentation. Just like the last young lady, Shonversations. Okay. Save, invest, grow. Now she puts a manifestation prayer at the front of her book. If you have your own prayer or whatever you do to manifest money, do it. It's not mandatory, but I like that she still puts that in there. Here we have marking down your paydays for the full year. It's nothing like a glance back. Then you get into debt tracking, and she starts you out with a little education, learning how to use the book, what the book is for. She also talks about side hustles. The 360 booth, that's still popular. Making candles is still popular. And then she lists a plethora, maybe I'm saying that wrong, of other ideas on how to start a side hustle legitimately and make some decent money. Mind you, the money you make is what you put into it. I'm trying not to flip through the whole book, but every page, I'm loving it. Don't read every page. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my spinner went here. It goes here. Okay. Spinning while having fun. It's all good. So I would spin it, and wherever it land, I would save that. So it's saved on $70. So if I had $70, I would put that up. If I don't have $70, maybe put half of it up, right? These challenges that I notice are able to be worked on your budget. You don't have to say, I don't got $70, I can't do the challenge, okay? So I love that. I have to be sure to put this up. And it's so creative. Okay, come on, Candy. But I'm gonna flip through this quickly and give a quick flip through. I might speed it up so you can see what all else is in here. Okay, I got past that. And I love how she constantly provides us with tips, and I love a good affirmation. And write yourself a check, okay? Speak it into existence. Claim it, okay? Money is going to come to you abundantly. If it's one thing I can say I noticed about her, definitely get your friend and family in on the savings. She has multiple savings challenges. Like she just thought of different ones back to back. You know what I'm saying? She named them really fun and creatively. You know, I was going through this book like, I like that. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that one. Be sure as you're watching, let me know which one was your favorite. I got 5 on it, okay? Because I do, okay? I got 5 on it, all right? Again, these budgets can be made to fit your budget. That one that said 128 right there, divide that by 3 if that's what your budget can do. You know what I'm saying? Lucky 7s. Fill that whole page up with 7s. Oh, that's cut off on the bottom. My bad. But and here you supposed to tape your money on there. I'm not taping no money on there because I don't want my page to tear. But I do need to get a coin jar. And I love that she came through with the bi-weeklies. Okay? Because the bi-weekly people, we need some help. And look at these. My cup runneth over. I speak it. Okay? The Christmas challenge. Then she get into these months. That's my birthday month too, January. Let's go, people. It's a celebration. Okay? Look at there. So I'm loving this book. Again, be sure to look in my description box or the pinned comment. And I should have a link where it'll give you a discount. It's one of my affiliate links. If you use my discount, I do earn a small commission. And get your budget kit, okay? Come on, 30K, 50K, 100K, down payment K. Okay, she just was giving us more crossword puzzles. On your birthday, save it as many times as you can. Okay, so I'll be 50 next year, so I gotta put 50s up. Look at the weather. Child, Michigan be negative 30. Okay, how I say negative 30? But I'm here for her challenges. Yep, roll them dice. Shoot them dice. Okay? Yep. I like it. I like it. All right, I'm going to let y'all finish watching. I'm going to stop talking. Listen to this music. She did her thing. She definitely did her thing when she got this together here. She definitely did. She did that. So comment below, what do you think about it? Will you be checking her out? Because you should. Okay, you should. I'm Kiva. Again, thank you for being here, a part of my budgeting and savings journey. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.